Ever wondered how top manufacturers make quick, data-driven decisions? It all starts with real-time insights from BI dashboards. Business intelligence in manufacturing is the use of data analysis to transform raw data into actionable insights, enabling better decision-making and process optimization. But what exactly makes these BI dashboards so powerful? Let's dive into some key elements. Real-time data integration. BI dashboards gather data from ERP, MES, SCADA, and IoT devices, delivering a real-time, comprehensive view of the manufacturing process for continuous monitoring and informed decision-making. Customizable KPIs. They can also be tailored to show role-specific KPIs, such as production efficiency, machine uptime, defect rates, and inventory levels. Visualization tools like charts, graphs, and heat maps to simplify complex data. Common visualizations include Pareto charts, OE graphs, and downtime analysis charts, enabling quick comprehension and informed decision-making. Predictive analysis in BI uses historical data and machine learning to forecast future outcomes. Drill-down capabilities enable deeper analysis, root cause identification, and informed decision-making, improving operational performance and addressing issues effectively. Role-based access customizes data visibility according to user roles, ensuring team members see relevant information while protecting sensitive data, enhancing decision-making, and aligning insights. The benefits of BI dashboards enable improved decision-making and enhanced operational efficiency. It helps with quality control and cost reduction, also integrating supply chain visibility, and track employee performances. Some of the common use cases such as OE monitoring, downtime analysis, quality assurance, energy management, and inventory management. Now that we understand the basics of BI, let's talk about some considerations. Data accuracy. Verify that data sources are accurate and up-to-date. User training. Employees need to be trained to use the dashboards and act on insights. Scalability. Select a BI solution that grows with your operations. And integration. Ensure seamless integration with existing factory systems and processes. Visit orcaLean.com and book a free demo today.